Hey guys, let's take a look at this tank behind me which I set up to breed Swordtails in.
So first you want to get a tank. A 10 gallon will be big enough for the fish, but bigger is almost always better. The next thing you want to do is set it up and plant it heavily. I will explain why later in this video. Once the tank is cycled, you can get a male and 2 female Swordtails. Always keep multiple females. Best is to use the 2:1 ratio because the female might die if you keep it with one male because the male always wants to breed. How can you tell the difference between a male and a female Swordtail? Well, it's really easy to tell. The males have the well-known sword, which that's why they are called Swordtails. And the male has an anal fin. That's this thing right here. The females look fat and they don't have an anal fin or a sword. You don't have to do much to get them to breed. The only thing you have to do is feeding them well, with frozen food, live food and flake food. They really like that. How to tell if a Swordtail is pregnant? Well, Swordtails are live bearers, so you won't see any eggs. When the fry are born, they are already able to swim and care for themselves. You can tell that a Swordtail is pregnant when her belly starts to grow and the black spot at the end of their stomach gets bigger. Do not put a female in a breeder box because it's actually bad for the fish. The fish will get stressed and that's not good. You wouldn't like that either, right? So you might be asking yourself, but how can I keep the fry alive when the fish spawns in the tank with all the other fish in it too? Well, I'm going to explain it. It's really simple. You can create hiding spots for the fry, such as wood, stones, caves and of course some huge live plants. The plants will bring more oxygen in the tank and they will provide hiding spots for the fry to hide whenever a other fish is chasing the fry. I don't have any Swordtail fry at the moment, but my female Swordtail is pregnant. But I do have some guppy fry that are a few days old. They are still alive even though I have some very active and big fish in here who would love to eat some fry. But as long as you have enough hiding spots, you won't have any problems and they will survive.